Converting three-way switches to standard single-pole switches using an existing 14/3 cable is a common practice that is compliant with the National Electrical Code. The red wire, previously used as a traveler wire in the three-way configuration, can be capped off at both ends as it's no longer needed. It's important to follow a safe and systematic procedure. Firstly, turn off the power to the circuit at the breaker. This is a crucial safety step to prevent electrical shock. Secondly, disconnect the 14/3 cable from both of the original three-way switches. Carefully loosen the screws or terminals and detach the wires. Thirdly, identify the wires within the 14/3 cable. Typically, you'll find a black wire, which is usually the hot wire, a white wire, which is usually the neutral wire, and a red wire, which was the traveler wire. Using a non-contact voltage tester can help confirm which wire is hot, ensuring you've correctly identified it. Fourthly, at each switch location, connect the black wire to one side of the single-pole switch. The single-pole switch has two terminals. The black wire carries the electrical current that the switch will control. Fifthly, connect the white wire to the other side of the single-pole switch. This completes the circuit when the switch is in the on position. Sixthly, carefully cap off the red wire at both ends. Use wire connectors, also known as wire nuts, to individually insulate the ends of the red wire. This prevents the wire from accidentally contacting other wires or metal parts, which could create a short circuit. Push the capped wires back into the electrical box neatly. Seventhly, once the wiring is complete, restore power to the circuit by turning the breaker back on. Test the switches to ensure they are functioning correctly. If the lights don't turn on or if the breaker trips, immediately turn off the power and recheck your wiring connections. In some cases, you might need additional short lengths of 14/2 wire to connect the single-pole switches to the existing 14/3 cable. This depends on the layout of the electrical boxes and the length of the wires. When purchasing wire, make sure it is rated for the voltage and amperage of the circuit. 14-gauge wire is typically rated for 15 amps at 120 volts or 10 amps at 240 volts, suitable for most lighting circuits. When working with electrical wiring, always prioritize safety. Use insulated tools to prevent electrical shock. If you are not comfortable working with electrical wiring, it is best to hire a qualified electrician. An electrician can ensure the work is done safely and according to local electrical codes. Understanding the National Electrical Code is essential for any electrical work. The NEC provides guidelines for safe and compliant electrical installations. Familiarize yourself with the relevant sections of the NEC before starting any electrical project. For example, NEC Section 310.15 provides information on conductor ampacity. NEC Section 404.2 covers the installation of switches. NEC Section 210.21 covers the use of branch circuits. Always check your local electrical codes as they may have additional requirements or restrictions. Using the correct wire gauge is crucial for safety. The wire gauge determines the amount of current the wire can safely carry. Using a wire gauge that is too small can cause the wire to overheat, potentially leading to a fire. 14-gauge wire is commonly used for 15-amp circuits. 12-gauge wire is commonly used for 20-amp circuits. 10-gauge wire is commonly used for 30-amp circuits. The size of the electrical box is also important. The box must be large enough to accommodate the wires and devices without overcrowding. Overcrowding can make it difficult to make connections and can also damage the wires. NEC Section 314.16 provides guidelines for box fill calculations. Using the correct type of wire connectors is also important. Wire connectors must be properly sized for the wires being connected. Loose or improperly sized wire connectors can cause the connection to fail, potentially leading to a fire. Always use UL-listed wire connectors. When working with electrical wiring, always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes. Also, wear rubber-soled shoes to insulate yourself from the ground. Never work on electrical wiring when you are wet or standing in water. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical wiring, consult with a qualified electrician. It is always better to be safe than sorry. Converting three-way switches to single-pole switches can be a straightforward project if you follow the correct procedures and take the necessary safety precautions. Remember to turn off the power before starting any work, identify the wires correctly, use the proper wire connectors, and follow all applicable electrical codes. By following these steps, you can safely and successfully convert your three-way switches to single-pole switches. Always double-check your work before restoring power to the circuit. Make sure all connections are secure and that no bare wires are exposed. If you encounter any problems, consult with a qualified electrician. Proper wiring is essential for the safety and functionality of your electrical system. Take the time to do the job right, and you'll enjoy the benefits of a safe and reliable electrical system. Consider labeling the wires before disconnecting them from the three-way switches. This can help you keep track of which wire goes where, especially if you are working with multiple wires. Use electrical tape or wire labels to mark the wires. Take pictures of the wiring before you start disconnecting anything. This can serve as a visual reference if you get confused during the process. If you are replacing multiple switches, work on one switch at a time. This will help you avoid confusion and ensure that you reconnect the wires correctly. When stripping the insulation from the wires, be careful not to nick the wire. A nicked wire can weaken the wire and make it more likely to break. Use a wire stripper that is properly sized for the wire gauge. If you are using stranded wire, twist the strands together tightly before inserting them into the wire connector. This will ensure a secure connection. When tightening the wire connectors, do not over-tighten them. Over-tightening can damage the wire or the connector. Tighten the connectors until they are snug. After tightening the wire connectors, give each wire a gentle tug to make sure it is securely connected. If a wire comes loose, retighten the connector. If you are working in a confined space, use a headlamp to provide adequate lighting. Good lighting is essential for safe and accurate wiring. Keep your work area clean and organized. This will help you avoid tripping hazards and make it easier to find the tools and materials you need. If you are working on a ladder, make sure the ladder is stable and properly positioned. Never reach too far when working on a ladder. When you are finished with the project, dispose of any scrap wire and other materials properly. Do not leave loose wires or debris lying around. If you are unsure about any aspect of the project, consult with a qualified electrician. Electrical work can be dangerous, so it is always better to be safe than sorry. Converting three-way switches to single-pole switches is a common electrical project, but it is important to follow the correct procedures and take the necessary safety precautions. With careful planning and execution, you can successfully complete this project and enjoy the benefits of a properly wired electrical system. If you are considering adding new electrical circuits or outlets, consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that your electrical system can handle the additional load. Overloading your electrical system can be dangerous and can lead to fires. It is also important to have your electrical system inspected periodically by a qualified electrician to ensure that it is in good condition. Regular inspections can help identify potential problems before they become serious. When choosing electrical equipment, such as switches and outlets, select products that are UL listed or otherwise certified by a recognized testing laboratory. Certified products have been tested to meet safety standards. If you are renovating your home, consider upgrading your electrical system to meet the latest electrical codes. This can improve the safety and efficiency of your electrical system. Remember, electricity is a powerful force that can be dangerous if not handled properly. Always take the necessary safety precautions when working with electrical wiring. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical work, consult with a qualified electrician.